Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this INFINIX. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. Then click on Haptic Vibration to switch them off or on. When you're ready, scroll down and tap on Vibrate Vocals. Now select the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. To save your changes, click on OK. You can also click on Sound and Vibration and set up vibrations over here by clicking on them and choosing OK as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!